6 a.m., Paul, our tour guide, rolled up in his Rover right outside our hotel. With a friendly grin, he welcomed us aboard, and we set off for the Blue Mountains in style. As the sun began to rise, we embarked on a 1.5-hour journey, eager for the scenic adventure that awaited in the heart of the Aussie wilderness.
But yeah, they're quite rare, those birds. Not quite endangered, but they're not a bird that you commonly see.
Oh yeah. Oh there. Yeah.
See if you can get in and have a look. They're more beautiful when they fly, but you can see he's chewing on one of those nuts. That's cool. So close.
Whoa. Nice. So nice. There's a red thing on there.
Yeah, the red in the tail, yeah.
Tails.
As we found our perfect spot, Paul, our amazing guide, worked his magic and whipped up a delightful breakfast. Surrounded by the breathtaking scenery of this secret hideaway, known only to the locals, we marveled at the beauty that unfolded before us.
Gazing at the blue of the night, stars are filling up the sky. You take my hand in yours, we'll make our own constellations. I could say how much you mean to me, but it won't mean a thing, 'cause words never sound quite right. Let's find our own kind of language. We have searched the whole world and all around it. Didn't know what we were looking for till we found it. They could say they've seen the highest mountain, bottom of the deepest sea, but no one's ever seen a love like this. They could dig up all the buried treasures where it's worth more than anything, but no one's ever seen a love like this. Walking down a crowded street, moving to our different beat. All eyes are on us now, oh, but we don't care, do we? Oh, I can't imagine a world where anyone loves anyone like
is a lemon scent.
Oh, you can smell.
It's got a real citrusy smell to it, yeah.
Yeah. This is true.
And this is when we...
It means that they put it, this is the one they use it in the
No,
oils?
the one that they use to make the oil is a melaleuca, and that has bigger leaves. And therefore when you try to distill the oil, I mean if you use this you get a small amount of oil out of a lot of leaves. If you use a melaleuca you get more oil out of a smaller amount of leaves. So
Ross, did you want to confirm a time when you graph and say that
it'll be a bigger tree as well. So you've got a better yield out of melaleuca. But the effect is the same. But now they're probably wanting to take that extra precaution to try and do what's necessary to warn people. I now understand the problem where we're trying to change the company we use for our public liability and what we're now finding, we never had to do it with the old company, is in order for them to insure it, they now want all of our risk management processes. So that'll be probably something that we're now obliged to do to get some public liability insurance themselves. Because in any walk where there may be some risk involved, you have to have a sign warning people of it.
Yeah. But just to check with you, don't have any rainfall this past few weeks.
Oh, we've had little sprinkles.
Only. Okay.
Yeah, no deep heavy rainfall.
Oh, this is beautiful. Down and tight.
Yeah, I think at the moment, look, 2 weeks ago that gate was locked.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so they've only reopened this again now after they've assessed it, and so the risk in here wasn't so much a landslide, but it was the trees falling down. You can see what's happened here, right? Look at that.
Yeah.
This is a pretty tough piece of metal. Look what it did.
Oh, because of the...
Yeah, the weight in the tree. So what happens also after a lot of rain is this thin sandy layer of soil on the top gets wet and soft, and then the roots of the trees aren't held into the ground as strongly, and with a bit of wind the trees can fall over.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
If you look over the edge, you'll see a bunch of cockatoos. Ah, look, they're in here as well. See all the white birds?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the sulfur-crested white cockatoos. There's another bunch of them on a tree down here as well.
Oh, yeah.
They'll probably be on their way up. They'll probably all take off again. What they typically do at this time of the day is make their way to the top, but they don't do it in one hit. In a way it is, and in a way it's not. So, this water goes down here, through the bottom of the canyon, around the corner, and catch it in a big lake. If you do drinking water, effectively you drink from this water. But, some of the water now, in the town of Katoomba, this little stream comes through the town of Katoomba. So it's basically when it rains, it converges and comes through here. And what they say is that some of the people
Standing before Katoomba Falls felt like witnessing nature's grand masterpiece. The falls cascaded down the rugged cliffs with an awe-inspiring force, creating a mesmerizing dance of water and mist.